Good morning, student, once again, welcome back to your online classes. Students, from past few videos, I have already mentioned about the chapter of no. I have already explained the poem. This poem, hard words, I have already discussed. Now today, I am going to tell you some question answers. You just write down the question answer in your copy. So the first question is this: in what way is the title of the poem a good one? The title of the poem is No. So we cannot understand what do you mean by the no. But the poet, the Thomas Hood, already explained in this poem what is no, from where the no is taken. The especially no is taken from the month of November. That means in the city of London there is nothing in the month of November because due to extreme weather condition. Answer is that the title of the poem is reflected in its every line. Yes, you can get every time whenever no is there, means you will get to know what is not available in the month of November in the city of London. Even the last line of the poem is summarized by another word. No means November. So hope you will understand what the title is appropriate or not. Is the title is very appropriate for this chapter. The second question is that is there a rhyme scheme to the poem? Students, I have already mentioned what is the rhyming scheme. If you don't know rhyming scheme, that means the last word means if the particular words are the creating the same sound for one line, two line, or three line, that is called the rhyming. But in this poem, you can say there is not a particular rhyming, means suppose whenever you will read earlier when you were a child, suppose I am telling you one poem, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So the last word is star, and how I wonder what you are. Here are again, so star and art both are the rhymes, both are the rhymings because the sounds are same. So here the rhyming scheme is there. A we can use A B C D, whatever whatever we want we can use. So in this poem nothing is important, means there is no any such type of rhyming scheme. It's not a regular poem. So look at here, there is no regular rhyming scheme, but in few lines are rhyming couplets. Some couplets are there, means few lines you can find out some sounds are matched, some sound only. We could possibly break up the poem like this. So we can easily possibly break up the sound. What are the rhyming scheme? The part 1, A B C C B. Part 2, A B B C C D D D. And the part 3, A B B C D C C D. So students, this is the rhyming scheme of this poem. Hope you will understand. Make a note of it. Tomorrow I'll send another set of questions.